Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I was just sitting here doing some stitching on my Stitchery swaps for the Great Big Little Stitchery swap, and I looked outside and the postie was at my letterbox. So trying not to act like a crazy postie stalker, I gracefully waited for him to leave and raced out and got the post, and in it was this parcel. Now this is from Christina Creates. Now she was one of my swap partners for the Stitchery swap, and she sent me some extra goodies. So with her permission I'm going to open it on camera and show you what's inside. So I haven't opened it yet, but I will do that now. So let me just pull this away from the camera. I will be 2 seconds. Sniffing through it. Okay. So, and I'm going to salvage these postage stamps and use those somewhere. Okie doke. Oh, I can feel lots of... Oh, look. Okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, so that's our envelope. Let me just quickly read the card. This beautiful envelope. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay. Let me just read. Shopping with me on a great big little, I put in some additional material from your piece I thought you might find handy for Roxy's Journal Volume 4. Have a lovely day, Christina. Christina Creates. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you, Christina. Right, look what we've got here. Oh, look at this. How pretty is that? So it's a Dorset button but done with crochet. That's beautiful. Wow. Oh, look at this butterfly. Oh, he's so cute. Alright, this is my swap. Wow. That's beautiful. Oh, it's so full of texture. Very tactile. Look at those little... Oh, I love it. Thank you, Christina. It is just perfect. Nice and bright. Button. Oh, look, that's the back, and you can truly tell the amount of work that's gone into something like this by the back. Isn't that just adorable? Wow, I love it. Oh, look at this. So I've got all sorts of bits of fabric. Lovely bright colours that will definitely be going into my Journal of Stitchery. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at this lace. Wow. So much potential in those. I don't have anything like this. Oh, that's perfect. And then there's a little bit of quilt. Oh, look! Oh, that's so cool. I can make a little needle book. No, that'll chop off his head. Oh, that's cool. I really, really like that. And that bright yellow. Oh, look. Some weatherproof canvas. And in my favourite colour. Woo! Oh, and so is that. Oh, that's so cool. These are going to be great in my lookbook. That gives me water vibes. Looks like a part of a jelly roll strip. Oh yes, and there's some more. That's very cool. I love batik fabrics. And some green, some more green. look at this. Wow. Wildflowers. That's so pretty. Oh, Christina. Look at this bit of fabric. All the butterflies with the script in the background. These are all perfect. They will all be taking pride of place at some point in my journal. Look at that. Wow. They're going to be great to fussy cut. Oh, that's nice. Pink gingham. But it feels like a flannel. That's lovely. Oh, some more flowers. They'll be great to decorate. And look, some more bright colours. Oh, you've chosen so well. Thank you, Christina. They are beautiful. What is this? That's lovely. Oh, that is so pretty. All of these little pieces can be used, and they will be. Oh, very lucky. I feel very spoilt. Very spoilt indeed. Oh, and look, another piece of quilt. It's Pooh Bear and Tigger and Piglet. Oh, look at that. So that's a piece of a quilt. That could be a needle book, because then I'm not losing any body parts. Oh, I love it. Love all of it. Thank you so much. These are just going to be perfect in all of my stitching projects, but especially in my Journal of Stitchery, because they're all the lovely bright rainbow colours. So thank you very much, Christina. I really do appreciate all the little extras, and they will be put to great use. Okay everyone, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little opening of my little pack and my, oh no, where have I put it? And my first Stitchery swap that I've received. I absolutely love it. So thank you very much everybody. Talk again soon. Bye.